Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's Friday, June the 30th. It's about 6:30 Central Standard Time. Let's get started this morning. Looks like we had a lot of just consolidation last night after that big up run, down run, and this crazy market. We love it. We love it. Looks like we had it open at 2075 yesterday, and a little bit of consolidation pulled down to our overnight low at 2015, just above market profile line here. Come back above the 24-hour VI up through the opening, and looks like we hit this little top right here, held it for most of the night, and then straight on up here to looks like high of 27. It's kind of pulling back and consolidating a little bit, probably for the next move up to 29 area. Then look for a pullback to the 27, possibly even coming back into the 25. So a couple point zone there, and then back up, break this 29, probably moving right up into this 3150 area down to the 29 again to retest it. Now this is going to be very tough to get through. Okay, so if it fails this, then look for some consolidation into this area right in through here as it tries to fight up. It may even pull all the way back to the 22 and just balance in here the rest of the day on a Friday. We'll just have to kind of see what's going on with the news and the current geopolitical situations. So with 29, if we break up here, it comes back and retest it at the 29 level. Look for the push up to 36 market profile number. And the reason going through this zone is it wasn't very strong as we went up and down this thing yesterday. So more than likely you get into this 36 to 37 area. Now, we know it took us a long time to get through this. This was a big balance area for almost 4 weeks. So keep an eye on this, and we may not be able to get through this today. But if the Bulls are really going to take back control of this situation, it's going to have to stay up and near this area and get a good bounce somewhere. But if it can get to the 36, we can move right up to the 39, come back and retest, and then push on up. Try to look back up here to yesterday's open at 42. Real strong area to hold. It might reach up to this 44. All right, with some pullbacks in here at yesterday's high. And probably the most today is maybe the 47 area, unless it's just crazy, crazy, crazy. No more than that. But I'd really, the big push might to get up to this 40 area right in here just before yesterday's high at 45 and hold it. All right. Now we can pull back at any time and be prepared for it, especially in this area. But if we pull back and we get back towards this open down in here, we break it, look for it to consolidate in here, test this maybe once or twice, and maybe all day. Again, we talked about this. It might go back up in here and then finish out the day in the same spot. But if we can break down below this open, retest it, come back down, we'll double bottom right here at the 2015. Look for a good move off of this. The Bulls will really want to try to hold this level and push on up again and keep moving in the same direction. However, we fell this low at 14. Look for us to come first straight down into this 09. Look at this little bit of consolidation over here yesterday, and we have support right here at the bottom of the zone, followed by this 07. So really, we're looking at this 07, 08 actually moving down. So actually like a 3 point zone here instead of a 2 point. And then look a little bit of retracement up to this 12. And if it fails this, we're going to push right back down. We're going to head down for another double bottom, triple bottom area in this 2403. Now we get down enough times, you know it's going to fail. Is it going to fail today? Is it going to fail tomorrow? Just be prepared for it unless the Bulls take back control. But that's the key areas as we work through this, all right? So let's go to the actual market profile and take a look. Okay, on a 4 hour chart, 235 minutes, you can see we pulled all the way back. We held this trend line, however ugly that may be, and now we're pushing back up. And if you draw some fibs and look back up here and lined up, we're about to approach a 61.8 retracement right in this area, okay, within a tick or two. So this 29.30 area is going to be very strong resistance this morning, and it may get up here and fail this and just go straight down again. So be very, very cautious on it. It might just pull back to this 50%, 38, and then move up to this trend line. Whatever the case may be, you need to be very careful with these moves today and keep an eye on this, all right? Look at the key numbers here as we look at the 22, 29, 36, 42, all right? As we fold back down, 14 again, this 07 and 04, and we can go down to this 0 and 97 here. So be real cautious. This is good support down here at 2400, but don't count on it holding another time or two. All right. So let's Now look at the daily profile. As you can see, we're really just in this big balance area, this 48 to 16 area. This is all we keep doing is bouncing back and forth in this area. All right, market's really unsure what it needs to do, responding to every geopolitical, every little talk, every little Fed speaker, every little. It's just crazy what the world's responding to right now. So be cautious, and until we can break out of the zone, it's just going to continue to do this. All right. I know this is a big area, but that's really all we're doing. Watch the numbers. Watch these market promos. You can see the balance of the area. All right. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at TradeStalkers.com. Have a great day.